How do you fix火炬之光is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your Steam library, right click on the game and open up the properties, and then click on the general tab and go to launch options and add -dx11. Then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. Once this is done, you can close Steam and then open up a new browser tab and search for Redist. Click on the first link, and from here you want to download the 86 installer and the 64 and install both of them. And once you finish the installation, you will need to reboot your computer. Next, you want to also check if you have the latest GPU driver updates, whether you're using the NVIDIA app or the AMD software. Make sure to download and install the latest updates. And then all you need to do is run Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your library. And this should fix a crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.